Since there was a negative zero line crossover between the two peaks here, it was not technically a Twin Peaks setup. In contrast, the Twin Peaks that form here are more correct. The values stay above zero, and the zero line crossover begins following the second peak. And it's quite a sustainable downtrend since even when green bars appear, values stay well below zero. And naturally, when red bars on the indicator decline lower, there's an increase in bearish momentum, which is why they accompany steeper drops in price. And in between, when values briefly neared zero, it was quite important for those few days that there was no major positive zero line crossover, which contributes to the stability of this rapid downtrend. Essentially, the Twin Peaks formation is like a declined double top formation with price, except in this case it's representing growing bearish momentum that will accelerate and be sustained with a negative zero line crossover with values remaining below zero and preferably continuing to decline lower to indicate a strong but relatively quick downtrend.